In today's video, Clickbank for beginners. How to make money on Clickbank for free, step by step in 2021. Now, what is Clickbank? Clickbank is a third party, really. It's a middleman or middlewoman, whatever you want to call it. So they have the platform, they do all the processing of the credit cards, the payments, they pay, the vendor puts their product there, and we as affiliates go there looking for a product to promote. So the product sells, it's processed by Clickbank. Clickbank pay the product owner, they pay us our commission, our affiliate fees every couple of weeks. Now, how to find products to promote, because there are thousands of products on Clickbank. Now, you just don't want to be promoting the wrong one. Put that time and effort in and get a bum steer. So I'll show you how to find the right products to promote and how are we actually going to promote them after we've found the product. How are we going to get traffic, uploading your content, and also how you can automate it all. Now, if you're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be notified of future videos. And also, you'll want to watch this till the end. There is new steps to do, and if you're new at doing this, I want you to be able to make money, and so you don't want to miss anything along the way. So watch the video till the end. Okay, so let's go over to Clickbank. Now, if you haven't signed up, just go here in the top right hand corner and sign up. It's pretty straightforward, and they will give you a nickname which you will need in your hop link. All right, so if you've got an account, just go here to log in, and let's go over to the marketplace. Now, when you're looking at products, there's three evergreen, what I call evergreen, that sell year in, year out. They're not seasonal. And the three biggest categories are health, wealth, and relationships. So health, wealth, and relationships. So I would suggest if you're new, you pick one of those. Now, what I'm going to do is go over here to e-business and e-marketing. So looking at how to choose a product in any category. So we're in this category here. And what you want to look at, if you have a look down here at the bottom, it has a gravity. And this has a gravity of 151. Plain and simple, what that means is 151 affiliates have sold at least one copy of this in the last 30 days. And some affiliates will have made multiple sales. So at least 150 affiliates have made at least one sale a day, one sale in the last 30 days. So my suggestion is pick something in the 100 to 150 to 200 range, because as you get up like that, you're going to have to build like and trust with people. And again, the cost, and I've chosen a product here, the 12-minute affiliate, and that will pay an average commission of around $171. Now, it'll vary a little bit depending on whether they take upsells or downsells and those sorts of things. If you're not sure what they are, just have a look. Upsell is where they buy something and then they're offered something again. A downsell is where they go to leave the page and they might be offered it at a cheaper rate, maybe a cut down version of what it is. So that really simple, that's what it is. And then there's also side sells as well. So, but let's not complicate it. So let's look for something around the 100 to 200 gravity. And as I said, I've picked for this exercise the 12-minute affiliate. All right, so to start promoting this product, we just click on promote. Now, I'm not logged in, and when this window pops up, if you're logged in, your nickname will be already populated here. So I'll just type mine in. Now, you can put a tracking ID, don't worry about it. All that is if you're going to be advertising in multiple places, you might say you're going to use Clickbank, you're going to use Facebook, and you're going to use YouTube. You might put YouTube here and then do it again and put Facebook. That way you can have two different links, and you can tell where your traffic's coming from. So we're not going to worry about it. If you click on generate hop link, as I said, that nickname it gave you before, that's where you'll need it. So we've clicked on generate affiliate link, and you can see it's just loading. There we go here, hop link, and you'll want to copy this. This is your unique link that you'll get paid when people click on this link, they will know it's from you, and that's how you're going to get paid. So now we come to the platform for traffic. Which traffic source are we going to use for our product? Today we're going to use Pinterest. Pinterest is underrated. It's almost like a secret. It's not a secret, but it's an underused resource for promoting products. Now the traffic on Pinterest is one of the highest converting, really engaging audiences on the internet, really. Now it's really simple to create content, and you'll get great conversions using this. So in a moment I'll show you how to create content, how to do it consistently, and how to get that most of that traffic for your product, for your affiliate offer. Now if you look at this, here's one guy that only recently launched his Pinterest, and he got 312 followers and nearly 30,000, just on 30,000 monthly views. Now, do you think traffic like that with targeted offers is going to be engaged in what you've got to offer? My oath, they are. And this is free traffic, high converting free traffic. And the competition is low. Now, in a moment, I'm going to show you how to create content. And look, if you're getting great value so far, consider subscribing. Hit the subscribe button below and give us a thumbs up. Hit the blue bell icon to get notified of future videos. And watch till the end so that you don't miss any of those steps along the way. Now, if you see, I've just gone to Google because Pinterest is one of the few platforms that will allow you to use direct affiliate links. So I just typed in Google, can I use affiliate links on Pinterest? If you come down here, now that Pinterest has lifted the ban on using affiliate links, you're free to add as many pins with affiliate links to your Pinterest boards as you want. That's a game changer. Now, if you've seen any of my other videos like Quora, Facebook, they will block your affiliate links. So you go to all that trouble creating content and then you've got no link because they block it, or worse still, they ban you from doing it, from posting. So this is not going to take a lot of work, and you will make a lot of money with Clickbank, with affiliate marketing with Clickbank, using Pinterest. I guarantee it. Alright, so here we are. Now, to get content, all we want to do is go over here. Now, I would say you use our keyword, and our keyword in this case would be sort of say make money online. Make money online. And you can use other keywords. That has it worked. Now look at all these pins here. These are highly ranked. So my suggestion is you model these. You model what already works. Model what already works. So we just look at some of these. Now, when I say model, we want to look at the color, the background. So they've just used a photograph, put some text to it, and in a moment I'll show you even how you can create these. So look at the color, the background, the title, the image, all that. And we're going to model it. So if we just look at this one, how to start working from home, a complete guide for beginners. All it is a picture of a woman with a laptop sitting on a couch. Have a look at the background color, the image color. This is ranking really highly, and she'll be driving a lot of, because it's a woman, whoever it is would be driving a lot of traffic. So just looking at this, so they've used white text, black text on like a movie purpley color background, and half of it is in a grey color with a so model this. It's working. Model it, and you would use not exactly word for word the text, like how to start your work from home, a complete beginner's guide. So you get the idea of it. You just rejig what's already there. So here's where you create your pins. You go over to a free website you've probably heard me talk about before called Canva. Canva, canva.com. You go up here to create a design. In the box there, just put Pinterest pin. So what that does, it brings you up a template that's already set up for the right size that you need for your Pinterest pins. And we call those little images and that on Pinterest, they're called a pin. So would you like me to make it easier for you? I'm going to create 10 pins that you can use and you can upload as your own. You just need to contact me below and I'll get those to you. So 10 pins that you can use for yourself as your own to get you started. Just click the link, the first link in the description box below. Now, the only other requirement is I want you to like the video. I want you to like the video, comment, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Subscribe to the video, like the video, and just put a comment below, I want the pins, or something like that in your comments, and I'll get those to you. And then you'll be able to get going. You'll have 2 days of pins already pre-produced for you. Okay, so back at Pinterest now, when you want to post your pin, you just go here to create. My internet connection's a bit slow tonight. Create a pin. We don't want to create an ad, we want to create a pin. So with the pins that I've given you, you just drag and drop in here. Then you're going to put a title and some text. And importantly, you're going to put a destination link, which will be your affiliate link. Okay, so let's say that's been uploaded. How do we write the title? Well, it's really simple. The title needs to be a keyword for your product. Now, the search bar here on Pinterest is very powerful. If you type in the make money or that keyword, whatever the product is, you may be doing a different niche. So in this case, we'd type in make money online again or from home. Now you'll see, I did have it on the screen, but it disappeared. When you type, instead of typing make money, or if you're doing a weight loss, lose weight, type the first couple of words and then leave a space. See these here? These are powerful. Make money from home. These are keywords that you can use. These are keywords that people are already searching for. So here it could be how to make money fast, how to make money from home, all those things that you saw there before. And then we're going to use a sprinkling of them in our description as well. So, use the keywords in the description, 3 or 4 lines, keywords in the title, and of course you're going to put multiple pins so you don't have the same title, because it brought up different search terms. Use different search terms in each of your different pins. Now, that's basically all you need to do. You've put in your direct affiliate link that you got from Clickbank. All you do then is go over here to publish. So look, it should take you, 15, 20 minutes to create the pins, and 5 minutes to upload them, put a title, and over the coming months you'll be generating thousands of views, and from those views, that traffic, those views, you're going to have people that go to your affiliate link, and you'll be earning hundreds and thousands of dollars per month just from this free traffic method that most people are not using. So just summarizing, I said I would show you how to find a product to promote, which platform to use and why, how to get free traffic, how to create and upload your content, and then the only other thing that I said I was going to do, how can I automate all of this? Well, now I'm going to show you that as well. Now, how you can automate it, you can go to a website like Fiverr, or another one, which are outsourcing websites. Another one here called Upwork, which doesn't want to play ball and load for me at the moment. And what you do, now you can outsource the making of the pins. So you might search for a graphic designer for Pinterest pins. And then you could also have you could have someone upload it all for you. So you could do a search for a virtual assistant that would do that for you. And it might cost you $5, $10 to do 5 pins, 10 pins. And you can negotiate. You can have a look at the feedback of the rankings of each individual supplier of these products. And, there are literally hundreds of them in there. So that, you may want to go down the route that I showed you in the beginning, where you use your own pins first, you do your own description, your own title. And what you can do then, once you start making some money, you can put some of that back into using outsourcing websites to get other people, virtual assistants, to do that for you. Now, don't forget, if you want the pins that I've created for you, subscribe to the channel, like the channel, hit the bell icon, and leave a comment. And there'll be a link, the first link you'll need to put in your email details so that I can get those pins to you. So if you've liked this video, you feel you've got great value, and maybe you want more training and you'd like to work with me, there'll be a link in the description as well. All right, that's how Clickbank for beginners, how to make money on Clickbank for free step by step in 2021.